How to fine adjust the Fortis metal bracelet. Tutorial. Welcome to the Fortis workshop. In this short video, you will learn how to fine adjust your metal bracelet so that it fits perfectly on your wrist. This works through these holes. Behind them is a spring bar, a metal pin tensioned by a spring. First, you open the clasp. If your strap has a diver extension, open it too. From above, you must now press down this spring bar. This is best done with a spring bar tool or a very small screwdriver. A little tip: if you have neither of the two at hand, you can also use a paper clip. Now you've loosened the bracelet part. Be careful not to lose the spring bar. Now you can reattach the end of the bracelet, for example at the last hole, to make the strap a little tighter. You do this by fixing the spring bar into the hole at the bottom and then inserting it at the top with the tool. A gentle click tells you that it is locked. Check that everything is tight. If you still wish to know how to shorten our B-42 stainless steel bracelet, we have the perfect instructions for you. Do you also have a technical question? Just ask us in the comments below. For more tutorials and exciting stories, make sure you subscribe to our channel.